Hey there, guys. I'm in the old dually. See if we can take this thing for a little drive. I ain't got just a few minutes left on my phone to be able to record. I keep saying, hey there, guys, but I know I've got a lot of gals. I know I've got a lot of gals on there too, so y'all bear with me. This thing, I don't have a holder for this thing. Be back with you in just a second. Got people walking and jogging coming through Country Club area over here. I don't use my clutch. As little as possible. Going by the Country Club, they're building some new, whatever that's called. Probably pickleball and tennis courts. Somebody tell me what pickleball is. I've never looked it up and I ain't got a clue. It don't make sense to me. I watched about a minute and a half of a game the other day of what I thought was volleyball, but they were treating it like soccer. Anybody know what I'm talking about? That's the weirdest thing I ever thought of. They're trying to play volleyball, but with their heads, feet, and chest. That's the weirdest thing. Let me get out here on the big road and I'll turn you back on. Running out pretty good now. Not starving for fuel. Got a lot of wind noise in here. I need to put some window felts in here. Everything else is pretty good. It's got a leak around one of the cab lights. I gotta get that fixed. Trucking right along. Thought I'd take y'all for a ride today. Maybe a boring video, but hey, you're getting to ride along with the outfit. getting to ride an old David. I need to put a headliner in it. The board's still good, I just need to put a new headliner in. New piece of material. Be back in a minute. We're back, guys and gals and boys and girls. Making a loop. Where, buddy? Got the race car trailer hooked up. Yeah, speedometer don't work. I think I got a cable broke. My gas gauge don't work because I ain't using that tank anyway. Oil pressure's all right. Charging okay. There's a guy on a bicycle up here. I need to watch and make sure I don't make a roadkill out of him. Oof, be bad. But anyhow, I thought I'd do this. Take a little bit of a circle in the old truck, make sure it's going to act all right before I took it all the way nearly to Little Rock. So, seems to be doing fine. I haven't had it out on the freeway yet, but I probably won't be running at 75 mile an hour anyway. So, I think we'll be all right. Seems to be doing fine. I've got to put a new solenoid on it. This solenoid is acting up, wants to hang, and I don't know why these old solenoids, especially these newer ones, if they ever get hot as you're trying to crank a vehicle, I've learned to crank a little bit, quit. Crank a little bit, quit. Not just sit there and crank on one, because it'll weld itself together. Yeah, and then from then on you got problems with the solenoid. Just trying to hit the starter, it'll hang in. You gotta jump out, take something and whack the solenoid real quick. But the starter will be sitting there turning even after your truck's running. So well, the kids are running and they ain't getting over. They ain't kids, those are kids. Thinking, what in the world? Tell you what, you better be paying attention today. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here. Just a little drive in the old 85 Ford we call Old David. And fixing to make a tow big out of this thing. I think it's going to be all right, a little bit at a time. We've took this thing setting for about 15 years, or 10 years, 5 years, whatever it was. It's been sitting at my aunt's house for years. We brought it home, started working on it. Got this thing riding and driving. Running pretty good. Still got some more to do to it, but it's doing pretty good. Anyway, it's Russell saying hit that like button, subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the little dingy dong bell over there so that you'll get all the notifications. And we're going to get on off of here. Russell here saying God bless you. Outfits Garage is saying keep a hammering, guys.